Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Bluetooth speaker's battery. This Bluetooth speaker originally has a 350 mAh battery, but it's no longer working. So what I'm going to install is this mobile phone battery. I wasn't able to record, but I removed the BMS of this battery and put it in here. I soldered it, the red on the positive side and the black on the negative side. I wanted to test it if I made the correct connection. Okay, so we made the right connection. Now I'm going to open this up again. I made some markings so that it's easier for me to put them back together. Okay, this one got disconnected. Let's power it on. Okay. Okay, it's powering on. Let's turn it off. Then let's put the battery in here. I'm going to put a double-sided tape. Okay, let's put them back. Okay, so that's how you replace the battery of this Bluetooth speaker. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.